class 8th chapter 1, that is rational numbers. So rational number क्या होते हैं? So rational number in the form of p upon q की फॉर्म होता है, उन्हें क्या कहते हैं? रेशनल नंबर. कैसे? लेट अस सी. So first is कहते हैं introduction. So in mathematics we frequently come across simple equations to be solved. For example, the equation x plus 2 is equal to 13 in is solved when x is equal to 11 because this value of x satisfies the given equation. ये क्या करती है? given equation को satisfy करती है. The solution 11 is a natural number. ये क्या है? एक natural number. On the other hand, for the equation x plus 5 is equal to 5, the solution gives the whole number, that is 0. If we consider only natural numbers, equation 2 cannot be solved. To solve the equations like 2, we add the number 0 to the collection of natural numbers and obtain the whole numbers. Even whole numbers will not be sufficient to solve the equations of type x plus 18 is equal to 5. Do you see why we requiring the number minus 13, which is not a whole number? So this let us to think of integers positive or and negative. So note that the positive integers correspond to natural numbers. One may think that we have enough numbers to solve all the simple equations with the available list of integers. Now consider the equations, that is 2x is equal to 3, 5x plus 7 is equal to 0, for which we cannot find a solution from the integers. So check this. We need the numbers 3 by 2 to solve the equation 4 and minus 7 by 5 to solve the equation 5. This led us to the collective of to the collection of rational numbers. That is, we have already seen basic operations on rational numbers. That is, we now try to explore some properties of operations on the different types of numbers, that is on the different types of the numbers seen from. So that is, so first कहते हैं, first is the properties of 1.2 properties of rational numbers. So closure, that is closure कहते हैं पहला whole number कहते हैं. Let us revisit the closure property for all the definitions in the of the whole number in the brief. That is, तो क्लोजर प्रॉपर्टीज क्या क्या हैं? तो पहला देखते हैं एडिशन है. सो एडिशन में कहते हैं कि नंबर इफ 0 plus 5 is equal to 5 is a whole number, then 4 plus 7 is equal to this, is it a whole number? So in general, a plus b is a whole number for any two whole number a and b. Remark, whole numbers are closed under addition. कहते subtraction, कहते 5 minus 7 is equal to minus 2, which is not a whole number. So whole numbers are not closed अंडर सब्ट्रैक्शन. ठीक है, तो होल नंबर्स क्या हैं? क्लोज नहीं होते अंडर सब्ट्रैक्शन. मल्टीप्लिकेशन में देखते हैं, दैट इज 0 इंटू 3 इज इक्वल टू 0. अ होल नंबर 3 इंटू 7 इज इक्वल टू, इज इट अ होल नंबर? इन जनरल, इफ a and b are any two numbers, their product ab is a whole number. Whole number are closed under multiplication. Next करते division, that is 5 divided by 8 is equal to 5 by 8, which is not a whole number. So whole numbers are not closed under division. So कहते check for closure property under all the operations for natural numbers.